Good evening, friends. We are once again here before you. I am welcoming you wholeheartedly to enjoy this interview from Ravi English Institute on behalf of Ravi English Institute and all the students. Friends, as the tradition of Ravi English Institute, once again we are introducing Darshil. આજે આપણે દર્શિલભાઈનું ઇન્ટરવ્યુ એન્જોય કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છીએ ત્યારે ફેસબુક અને ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ ના લાઈવ પર્સન્સ જે લોકો અત્યારે લાઈવ છે એ બધાને પણ ખૂબ જ હાર્દિક અભિનંદન સાથે એમને નિમંત્રણ પાઠવું છું કે પ્રશ્ન કરજો જેથી કરીને દરેક સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે એ કંઈક ને કંઈક મોટિવેશન મેળવે. આપના પ્રશ્નોથી ખાસ બધા વિદ્યાર્થીઓને મોટિવેશન મળતું હોય છે અને એ લોકો નવા નવા આન્સર્સ આપવા પ્રેરાતા હોય છે. તો દર્શિલભાઈનું ઇન્ટરવ્યુ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ પહેલા સરસ મજાની મને બે ચાર પંક્તિઓ સરસ લાઈન યાદ આવે છે. ना थके कभी पैर, ना थके कभी पैर, ना कभी हिम्मत हारी है. ना थके कभी पैर, ना कभी हिम्मत हारी है. हौसला है कुछ कर दिखाने का, इसलिए आज भी सफर जारी है, आज भी सफर जारी है. अब इस लाइन पे गौर फरमाइएगा दोस्तों. नन्ही सी चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, नन्ही सी चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों से 100 बार फिसलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों से 100 बार फिसलती है, आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, यहां कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कभी हार नहीं होती. So introducing Darshil. Please Darshil, give your short introduction.
Hello friends, my name is Darshil. I am 22 years old and I recently finished my graduation from Christ College. And before I start my interview, I want to share about 2 to 3 lines for motivation. हौसला जैसे चट्टान हो अगर आपके, तो ही आपके रास्ते आसान होते हैं. हौसला जैसे चट्टान हो जैसे आपके, तो ही रास्ते आपके आसान होते हैं. ए नादान मत घबराएं इन परेशानियों से, ये तो पल भर के मेहमान होते हैं.
Please be seated, take your seat, be relaxed, and we are going to start the interview, friends. Please carry on.
What does your father do?
My father is currently working as a civil engineer, but sometime he was a construction also.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I am very much like with my family because I believe in family is life. So whenever I spend time with my family, I am very really happy with them.
What is the meaning of your name?
As you know, my name was Darshil. So my meaning of my name is someone who looking beautiful, who is looking worth like that.
Which sport do you like?
If you talk about indoor game, so I like very much chess, and if you talk about outdoor, so I like very much kabaddi, and both the game I played at state level also.
What is your recent social life?
I'm normally not online on social life, so I'm just on WhatsApp and Instagram. So I am not on social life regularly using.
What are your hobbies?
Normally my hobbies are not special, but sometimes I read some novels and books, and I love to watch some movies and series. Like I read one novel who is a great inspiration for me, like Rich Man and Poor Dad. You know about very well.
As you said, your hobbies are reading books and novels. And which books and novels have you read?
I already told that Rich Man and Poor Man, and then the creator of Amazon, and some Gujarati novels also, like Lol Tourne Gufao, something like that.
Which festival do you like?
I like very much Holi, because whenever I play Holi, I am free-minded, and when the music is on and I celebrate Holi with my friends, like I am heaven is on earth, like the feeling I'm built on the celebrating Holi.
What is your goal?
my my real my goal is to be a good financial management in future. So I try to be a good I try to be a got a very good MBA college. So I posted in the high company and I try my best.
Which other countries have you visited?
No, I haven't visited any other country instead of India because I live here.
Which changes you are seeing now in India after Corona crisis?
Like many changes I've seen now after Corona pandemic, like everyone try to avoid some basic problem like they face, like they wash hand, they regularly wash hand, they increase their bath time, so can they reduce as much as germs, and they try to avoid eat some outside food, so that he can achieve as much as positive in his life and his body.
Who is more important for you?
My mother is more important for me anything else in the world.
Which is the best way to learn any language?
As our Rasik sir said, the best way to learn any other language is to keep try and whenever you get chance to practice with someone with which language you are want to learn, that's the one way, that's the best way you learn whichever you want to learn English.
What do you like the most in this institute?
I like the most Rasik sir's behavior because I joined many classes in my past, but I can't got any other sir's behavior like Rasik sir. And Rasik sir is a very great teacher who give you knowledge like you have got anything. You never be hard work for anything to got, like Rasik sir give you like a child based knowledge and you got everything.
What are the quality of this institute?
The quality of institute is the very best. Sixer gives us a very good knowledge. He gives 10,000 plus sentences. I don't find any institute who gives as Rasik sir gives as much sentence I get here. So there is the best quality who teach you any new language, and Rasik is the best who provide you such knowledge and such best way to learn any other language.
How is his nature, Rasik sir's nature?
I already told Rasik sir is a very calm nature.
How is your nature?
My nature like sometimes I calm, but sometimes I am angry on someone. But whenever I get angry, I recently down to my calmness because I know angry man is never be achieve anything.
Which type of food you eat every day?
I usually eat at my home. I don't like to eat outside my home. So I usually eat Gujarati food like bhakri, saag, curd, something like that.
Who is your idol teacher? Why?
Just like I said, my idol teacher is Rasik sir because he is a very great teacher in my life, and he is giving me some motivation, some business idea also to achieve my goal.
When did you meet Rasik sir?
I remember I met Rasik sir before 4 months. 23rd October. I met Rasik sir at 23rd October at 5 o'clock. I clearly remember because I reached here at 2 p.m. But Rasik sir is it here not. So I come back at 5 o'clock and meet Rasik sir.
What is your views about the politics?
Like I don't like politics and all, but sometimes I feel to watch some news about politics, and I like BJP because his work is look good, and before BJP I know Congress politics before 2014, but I didn't saw any other increment in our India. So I like BJP in politics.
Do you believe in luck?
No, I didn't believe in luck because once in a while one wise man said, if you believe in God like luck, so you can get achieve only on you have on fortune, and if you believe in hard work, so you can achieve in whatever you want. So I always believe in hard work.
What is satisfaction?
That's a very hard question, man. Satisfaction is the thing you never get achieve in your life. Whenever you get achieving satisfaction, like you have a son in your life, because it's a human nature who see another man who has a greater thing before you, and so you want to that, and you want to that, and just like you never be satisfied in your life.
Are people fashion conscious nowadays?
Please repeat the question.
Are people fashion conscious nowadays?
Yeah, like our people is a very one fashion tends worried about your fashion, and he try to get more fashion like formal clothes in formal shoes, goggles, clothes. So yeah, I agree with that.
Which college are you studying?
I only studied in Christ College for my graduation. It is a very good college. If you want to study there, you please apply.
What is the full form of ISRO?
Like I said, ISRO is the Indian Space Research Organization. I think so.
Do you believe in Indian or Western culture?
I believe in Indian culture instead of Western culture because I born here, I live here, so I like to Indian culture more than Western culture.
Do you like adventure rides?
No, I am not a traveling person, so I don't that much about adventure, but I like to read adventure book.
Describe a book that you like from your childhood.
Like you said, childhood. Yes, I have one book in my childhood. I think you all know about that book is Panchtantra. That book is 500 story in that Panchtantra book, and my mother always told me one story before I go to bed, and I like the most that book because there is a picture story, there is a beautiful story who increase your mind, who is increase your thinking process and life process.
What do you think about co-education?
Co-education, yes. Just like said, foreign culture is already there co-education, and India culture is about 80 to 85% college and school has co-education. But Thodoke school has like Thodoke school and Apne school has college has there is no co-education in their college life, but school has college co-education.
How do you spend your weekend?
I spend the weekend with my family, like watching TV and my family. Sometimes I play cricket with my friends in weekend. Sometimes I enjoy with my friends, just time pass. Like we spend time, quality time, you can say.
What is your ambition?
My ambition is like I achieve my goal as soon as possible, and I got more than I get in my life.
When do you think there will be possibilities to travel to the moon or Mars?
Yes, there is a vast possibility to travel moon or Mars because you know about our 1 billionaire who can try to live on Mars, and moon is like many people who travel moon, so moon is achievable, but Mars is little bit difficult. So like Elon Musk, who try to city on Mars.
You are talking so fluently, beautifully, confidently in English right now. So how are you feeling now?
I am feeling good, but I need to be more fluent and more hard word to use in English. So I try my best.
Great, great, great. And you can invite all Facebook and Instagram friends by your own words.
Yes, all friends who watch here in Instagram and Facebook, please come here and ask me as many next question. Before here, all my friend is more than you can ask. So can I get an easy question?
Why you don't wear watch?
Because I wear watch before some time, but recently I crack my watch glasses, and I am lazy person, so I can't fix my watch.
What do you think about Mr. Rasik Mehta?
Mr. Ratik Mehta is a very good man who gives you a knowledge you can't achieve by easy way. So I am very much proud of Phil because I am learn here with Rasik sir, and I get what I want in English learner and an English speaker. So I am very well proud of Rasik sir and me.
Which festival inspired you? How?
Diwali. Diwali is the one festival who inspire me because I know why Indian people celebrate Diwali. I know the reason why Indian people is curious about Diwali. So I am very much inspired about Diwali because Diwali is our Lord Ram's festival. He killed Ravan and back to the Ayodhya. That's why I think Diwali is the one when the all darkness and all negativities goes down and you can achieve your goal.
What is your opinion about globalization?
Just like I said, globalization is very much in India. So I think there should be some restriction about globalization. So India got some higher rank in the world.
What is the value of farmers?
Farmer is very high value in India, not other country I said, but farmer is very important for India because without farmer India has no future because farmer is our culture, our history.
So can we say in one sentence that farmers are the fathers of the nation?
Yes, I agree.
Do you watch TV? And what is your favorite program? Why?
Yes, I watch TV sometime, and my favorite program was Tarak Mehta because whenever I take lunch and dinner, I always watching Tarak Mehta while I am taking dinner because the Tarak Mehta is a very funny program, and I believe Tarak Mehta is a program who can get you positivity and because they laugh more, and I get very much happy to see Tarak Mehta.
How do you feel when you reach anywhere late?
I feel like I'm embarrassed between them. Once in my life, whenever I am in my 10th annual exam, I getting late about 10 minutes in my science paper. So there is a very much embarrassing in my life to getting late.
What do you think about marriage?
Marriage is a beautiful part of my life, part of any life, because if the marriage is the part when you take responsibility of someone and you stronger than before, because marriage is the one who can realize that the life and the happiness about life.
Why do people watch soap operas? Why are they popular? What do you learn from them?
Please repeat.
Why do the people watch different kind of serials and web series? Those are called soap operas. And do you think that people can get anything from those serials and web series?
Yes, Yes, I am really sure about that. People can get many things from series and serials because sometimes serial and series give you some motivational thoughts, some business idea which you want, like Scam 2099, who can give you some business knowledge about share market. So you got some knowledge from series and serial. I am agree with that.
What are the benefits of science?
Science is a part of the any technology because technology means science, and whenever the science stop you, then God enter the way, and science and God will make your life easy. So I believe science is two way. You can do anything faster than before, and you can get easier way.
What you do in daily basis for make your body fit?
I am not a exercise person, but sometimes I do meditation, and sometimes I do running, and also sometimes I do a skipping. And whenever I skipping, I do around 300 to 350.
That's very nice.
What kind of pollution do people have to face?
Nowadays, air pollution, noise pollution is very much trouble in our country because whenever Diwali gets, there is just like some many bombs are create some noise pollution and air pollution. So I think India get strict about that bomb and forbidden to their using their high noises of bomb and high noises of air pollution bomb. So can India will free air?
Do you blow crackers in Diwali or not?
No, I don't blow crackers in Diwali since last 5 years.
What is the importance of time?
I think time is very much important in my life, and I believe time management is not only time management, but I believe time management is the life management. Whenever you manage your time wisely, you can manage your life wisely. So time management is equal to life management. I believe in that.
Do you like to watch TV or serial? TV or movie?
Yeah, as I said, I like to watch TV or serial because that's my hobby. So I fond of to watch new TV, new movies in my life. And also related to business and related to some adventures, I like to watch too much.
Do you think that such kind of movies in present era, present time, really can be helpful to the youngsters?
Yes, I believe some movies to really inspire some youngsters, just like Mary Kom. Mary Kom is very much inspired for many people, just like Dangal. Dangal is a very great movie in our life, and also Holidays and Kesari movies to respect our honorable soldiers. So I believe in that.
Do you watch Gujarati movie or not?
Yes, I many time I watch Gujarati movies. Like many Gujarati movies I watch, and Gujarati Natak dramas I also watch there. But because my mom and my grandmother likes to watch Gujarati movies very well, so I have no other option to watch Gujarati movies. So I like to watch Gujarati.
When do you feel alone?
Whenever nobody is home.
Any funny moment in your past? Please tell me.
Yes, there is a one funny moment in my past. Like I am at 9th classes. There is a drama who can participate, and that time was Anna Hazara's time. And that time there is one my friend who is Anna Hazara's role, and there is a back. We are 4 friends who has the role to say Anna Hazara celebrate like Anna Hazara Zindabad, Anna Hazara Zindabad, and instead of Anna Hazara Zindabad, we all say like Anna Hazara Murdabad, Anna Hazara Murdabad in the whole public like. And my principal, my vice principal, my teacher, they are all laugh because there is a 10,000, more than 10,000 people in face of we like said another Murdawar, another Mirzawar. In all like we are not changing the word.
What do you think about God?
God is like a belief. God is like a positive thought. Because whenever you get depressed, so God is the always the one way to open for your life to achieve anything. So never be depressed and never be committed suicide, because God is always be there with you to help you. So I believe God is always all over the world.
Absolutely fantastic answer.
How do you spend your weekness?
Weekend.
How do you spend your weekends?
I already said I spend my weekend with my family and my friend, and sometimes I watch movies and series with my family and I play cricket with my friends. That's my weekend.
What is your weakness?
My weakness is like I am sometimes I get a lazy person. Whenever something is very important for me and I get too much of nervous about it and I getting late there. So that's my biggest weakness, I think. What?
What is the importance of practical training?
In our life, practical training is very much important, because if you want to become a doctor, so practical knowledge is vast important for your life, and CA, MBA, there is many field. If you can't get a practical knowledge before you got a job, so you can't achieve anything from there. So practical knowledge is very much important in my life, in any life.
Do you help your mother any work?
Yes, I help my mother because I believe if my mother is get tired in life, so I can't get achieve in my life. So I sometimes I mopping the floor, I cleaning the house, because there is no option to help her or not.
Okay friends, now it's time to conclude the interview. So friends, I hope you may have enjoyed this interview, Darshil's interview, and really fantastically he spoke before you. This is the confidence which we pour into the students. Friends, normally all the students are learning peacefully, properly, but the thing is that how you pour the confidence, how you encourage the students, and how they are motivated by you in the institute, academy or any other class. And then they can be able to achieve the goals. And here we do that thing, same thing continuously, and I always try my best to put confidence as well as the best knowledge into them, as well as whenever we are depressed, whenever they are discouraged, so I always try my best to pass some comments, some motivational lines, some inspirational lines, and I just try to come them out. So this is the thing. This is the humble duty of the teacher and educator, and I am that kind of educator. So friends, thanks a lot for watching this kind of interviews on Ravi English Institute. Please like the video, share the video, as well as put your some beautiful comments so they can get motivation. Please express your vote of thanks.
Thank you for helping me in my interview, and please join this Ravi English Institute. It's a work to join. It's a work for your time, and you learn from anything. Before I end my interview, I want to say about 2 to 3 lines for my mother. Please go for Maika. ऐसा आपने सुना ही होगा कि खुदा हर जगह नहीं पहुंच सकता, इसलिए उसने माँ बनाई. बट आगे की कहानी किसी ने नहीं सुनी, वो आप आज को मैं सुनाता हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है कि खुदा ने माँ को बना के बहुत सारी खुशियां मनाई, बिकॉज खुदा का हर जादू माँ ने छीन लिया और वो खुदा को पता भी नहीं चला. जैसे कि खुदा का काम था हिफाजत, वो माँ करने लगी. खुदा का काम था बरकत, वो माँ करने लगी. खुदा का काम था हिफाजत, वो भी माँ करने लगी. और खुदा हो गया, और देखते देखते उसके सामने कोई और परवरदिगार खड़ा हो गया. माँ को बनाकर खुदा बेरोजगार हो गया. खुदा बेरोजगार.
Salute to all mothers, salute to all parents. Please, and yes,
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day to
Please
all of you.
respect all the women in your life.
Yes.
And please share, comment in the video.
Bye bye. Have a nice time. Keep watching the videos. Take care. Have a
Thank
nice
you
time.
much.